Good morning to all of you. I am Prashant Kumar, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department from JEC Kukas, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Today we all are here to discuss a topic. The today's topic will be hydrology. Okay, which basically consists of hydraulics engineering subject, BTech 4 SEM Civil Engineering. Now let's start the topic. Now in these contents there are some list of that we will discuss today. The first one is definition of hydrology, means the basic concept of hydrology, application of engineering hydrology, what are the various fields where we can use the hydrology. The third one is hydrological cycle, and the fourth one is the explanation by the help of diagram of hydrological cycle. So let's move to next topic or next slide. Now hydrology basically, hydrology is a combination of two words. The first one is hydro and the second one is logos. Hydro basically means it comes from a Greek word which means water, and logos means study. So in general you can say the study of water. In another way we can define it, the science of water that deals with the spatial and the temporal characteristics of the earth's water in all its aspects, such as occurrence, circulations, distribution, physical and chemical properties, and the impact on environment and living things. So we can say that the study of the study of water, that basically consists of various types like occurrence, how it occurs, circulation, how it circulates, distribution, in how many ways we can distribute the water, and the fourth one is physical and the chemical property, and what are the impact of hydrology on the environment and living things. These all comes under the category of hydrology. Now the third definition of engineering hydrology, basically it deals with all the aspects that we have studied above. It deals with all the aspects like occurrence, circulation, distribution, physical and chemical properties, which are important for planning, design and operation of hydraulic engineering projects for the control and the use of available water. It basically deals with the planning, design and operation of hydraulic engineering projects. So for all these things, hydrology plays a very important role. The fourth one is a practitioner of hydrology is called hydrologist. So who are hydrologists? Hydrologists are basically the scientists. They are the scientists. They are the scientists. They study they study the earth or environmental science, civil or mechanical or civil or environmental engineering, and the physical geography. Hence, hydrologists are the scientists that they define or study about the environment science, civil or environmental engineering, and the physical geography. All belongs to hydrologist. The fourth one is the hydrology subdivides. The hydrology subdivides into the surface water hydrology, groundwater hydrology, and marine hydrology. It means hydrology we can divide it into various parts, like surface water means belongs to the land, groundwater belongs to the below the earth surface, and the marine related to the ocean, rivers, lakes, etc. Okay. Now next slide. Applications of engineering hydrology. What are the various fields where we can use the hydrology? So the first one is, it is basically used to find out the basic और maximum probable flood at any proposed site. किसी particular area में flood के chances हैं, इसका determination भी हम hydrology से कर सकते हैं. क्यों? Because hydrology deals with the study of water. The second one is, the variation of water production from catchment area can be calculated and described by it. किसी भी पर्टिकुलर कैचमेंट एरिया में जो वाटर कितना है उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन और उसका कैलकुलेशन भी हम हाइड्रोलॉजी की हेल्प से करते हैं. कैचमेंट मीन्स द होल एरिया बिहाइंड द डैम. Okay, the third one is it helps us to find out the relationship between a catchment surface and the groundwater resources. Basically, it shows the relationship between the surface water and the groundwater resources. The fourth one is it helps us to know the required reservoir capacity for irrigation and municipal water. Okay, in drought condition. Next, it is used It is used in connection with the design and operation of hydraulic structure. It is used to assess the reservoir capacity required to assure the adequate water for irrigation purpose के लिए भी इसका यूज कर सकते हैं ड्राउट कंडीशन के टाइम. इसका मेनली यूज फॉर सप्लाई द वाटर डिजाइन which is based on catchment areas, amount of rainfall etc for a particular place. It helps to determine the water balance को ये शो करता है. वेस्ट वाटर ट्रीटमेंट एंड डिस्पोजल के लिए इसका एप्लीकेशंस है. It is used for the hydropower generation. Most important applications you can say. It is used for fish and wildlife protection. Okay, now next slide. This one is a very important from the university point of view. Hydrological cycle. Hydrological means जल प्रपात. तो हाइड्रोलॉजिकल साइकिल कैसे बनता है हाइड्रो साइकिल, और यू कैन से इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज वाटर साइकिल और हाइड्रोलॉजिक साइकिल. इट मीन्स इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज वाटर साइकिल और इसको हम हाइड्रोलॉजिक साइकिल भी बोलते हैं. इट बेसिकली शोज द मूवमेंट ऑफ वाटर ऑन अबव एंड बिलो द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ. अर्थ के ऊपर और अर्थ के नीचे बिलो एंड अबव जो सर्कुलेशन हो रहा है वाटर का वो कौन शो करता है. इट शोज द हाइड्रोलॉजिकल साइकिल. अगर इसको मैं नॉर्मल भाषा में बात करूं तो हाइड्रोलॉजिकल साइकिल बेसिकली मीन्स क्या हो गया. इट कैन बी इजीली अंडरस्टैंडेबल बाय द हेल्प ऑफ दिस डायग्राम दैट इज suppose this one is a land area. Okay, this one is the mountain you can see. Okay, now this one is the evaporation process, this one is the also evaporation process by the help of trees. This one is the precipitation, this one is the condensation. Okay, this one is the runoff में the flow of water in the land surface. Okay, तो स्टार्टिंग में क्या होता है जो भी लेक है रिवर है और सी है इससे जो भी वाटर है ये एवोपरेट होगा बाय द एनर्जी ऑफ सन के एनर्जी के ये एवोपरेशन होगा. एवोपरेशन होकर क्या होगा, एवोपरेशन हमारा लेक वाटर बॉडी से भी होता है. एवोपरेशन आल्सो टेक्स प्लेस बाय द हेल्प ऑफ वेजिटेशन मीन्स लीव्स ऑफ प्लांट बाय द हेल्प ऑफ ट्रांसपिरेशन प्रोसेस. यहाँ से इवोपरेट होगा, इवोपरेट होने के फिर ये क्या है क्लाउड में जाएगा, सॉरी कंडेंसेशन होगा. कंडेंसेशन होकर ये क्लाउड फॉर्मेशन करेगा और क्लाउड फॉर्मेशन होने के बाद फिर ये प्रिसिपिटेट होगा. प्रिसिपिटेशन जो होता है इट कैन बी ऑकर इन वेरियस टाइप्स लाइक स्नो, रेनफॉल. लिक्विड फॉर्म में भी हो सकता है, लिक्विड में रेनफॉल एंड स्नो में केस में होगा आपका हेल स्लेट ग्लेज etc. और सम ऑफ द वाटर जो क्या होगा इनफिल्ट्रेट हो जाएगा मतलब एब्जॉर्ब कर जाएगा परवियस सॉइल्स के द्वारा जिसको हम लोग अंडर ग्राउंड वाटर सरफेस करते हैं. इस तरह से क्या होता है वाटर का सर्कुलेशन होता है. पहले इवोपरेशन, फिर आपका कंडेंसेशन और फिर प्रेसिपिटेशन. तो पूरे होल प्रोसेस को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं हाइड्रोलॉजिकल साइकिल. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. सो आई थिंक इफ यू हैव एनी क्यूरी देन आस्क. सो thanks and have a good day. Okay, so bye and have a nice day.